meth! To clarify, we're talking about methanol.
Amphetamine.
We'll be back with a water meth injection kit. All right, we gotta get to work because it is already 3:30 and we have to install the kit and then tune the car. So for all of you guys who don't know what a water methanol injection kit is, what methanol does, methanol is a really cold fuel. Pretty much how it works is that once your car hits a certain boost pressure, the water methanol kit will start injecting the water methanol mixture, usually it's half water, half methanol, into the intake. And that does two things. It lowers the intake temperatures a bunch because the methanol is so cold. And then secondly, it increases the octane of your fuel, essentially the octane of your fuel, because methanol is like a race fuel. Some crazy drag cars, burnout cars run straight off of methanol. So this is kind of like a little bit of little drip of methanol to cool the intake temps and to help for detonation and stuff. So this is the kit. You got your reservoir, you got your pump, your lines, and your wiring. This is the water methanol mixture right here. It's pretty much a boost activated windshield wiper fluid reservoir pump thing, but instead of spraying onto your windshield, it sprays into your engine. So it shouldn't be too crazy to install. There we go.
That's perfect.
He's back!
Just a little,
You just had to pass out for a couple seconds?
yeah.
Show them that. It's pretty cool.
What we got here? Driving and crying, straight down.
This is not big.
I grew up just west of the tracks, holding me to hold me back around your door. What?
We're approaching our what now? The sun's going down.
It's 5 o'clock. We're definitely missing a few things that would make this install nice, but it's gonna work.
Are you like, do you know what to do to tune it?
Just let just let the Holly figure it out.
I don't know what it smells like. Is it sweet? Does anyone else want to smell? I can't really.
I think we should try it. But
Does it smell sweet?
it kind of smells like fruit punch.
Drops it in there.
Wow.
What is this?
Dude, it literally prevented the paper from lighting on fire.
I told you, it's half water.
What is the opposite of flammable?
Bad.
Whoa! Yeah! Dude, it's fun. Flamethrower, dude.
First of all, look at the name.
Boost juice.
Boost juice. You know, it's kind of inconvenient. The thing's not clear. Like, so I have no idea how full
you don't
it
know
is.
when it's full.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to pressurize it now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, that's good. And just let it off?
I heard something.
Oh, I see.
Yep, all right, you're good. Stop.
Pumping.
It's pumping.
Oh yeah,
Stop,
there
stop,
it goes. Nice.
Oh yeah, look, you got all over here. But yeah, it works. Look at that, we got meth.
I never really thought I'd enjoy doing math.
But
This has been an enjoyable experience,
Yeah.
doing meth.
Would recommend. We'll do it again.
I have honestly had a fantastic experience with meth.
At factory setting, the boost switch will start injection at 9 to 11 psi of boost. One full turn will decrease switch by 2 psi.
3 full turns. Yes. I took calculus in college.
Nice.
Yeah.
The meth system is installed and it's working. Now it's time to tune the car, which is pretty much just involves driving it and slowly getting into more and more boost, letting the poly just tune itself.
Y'all smell some burning plastic?
Yeah.
The line was touching the header. So now we burnt through the line and we don't have any more.
How you feeling?
Like a noob.
It happens.
Yeah. It happens a little bit too much for me though,
the
unfortunately.
Lines on backwards.
Right, but the fact that both things happened. Actually, it could have been way worse than the wastegate.
Yeah, we could have.
So it could have been an entire car burnt down. Yeah.
We had meth to put it out.
So we're
No, meth is flammable. It's just not.
Why is it not closing?
Totally good.
Totally good, yeah.
You were definitely in the threshold. So you can, it kicks in right at like 7 pounds. So it kicks in a little late.
Do you want to turn it down so it kicks in earlier?
I think I might turn it down and then turn the boost up a little bit. So the methanol is working. The intake temps drop when we get into boost, which is really cool. I also leaned out the tune a little bit because it's richer than it needs to be, especially with meth injection. Dude, it's kind of scary. What if we get rammed by a cow?
dude,
Dude, they're chill.
dude, they're not fucking moving. This is creeping me the fuck out.
Yeah, they're really giving us the stank eye. These cows want beef. You got beef?
Wait, so do you want cheesy bread or no?
Yeah, I think we should do the cheesy bread.
We just lost the serpentine belt. So we have no water pump and no alternator and no tools, and we're in the country. It made more boost though. Wait, they're not that far, right?
You have a headlight pod.
Alright, can I get anything else?
Yeah, I got a pretty large order here. So the next one's gonna be a medium crush fit crust.
We got the car ripping, making the boost it was supposed to be making, and just, it was awesome. And then we threw the serpentine belt, and so we got flat towed home by my man here, Jake. Thank you so much. Thankfully, we were pretty close, so it was like a 10-minute flat tow. So now we have to fix that tomorrow.
But not before pizza.
But not before pizza. Today is the day of the review of That Dude in Blue, and the car's broken. Let's get to work. It's also rainy, but it's supposed to clear up later today. Our meth injection system hasn't broken, so that's good. I still can't believe we just installed meth on this thing. The one problem is that I had a custom size belt on this car, so I don't know what belt to get. So we have to remeasure, then we'll get a belt. Hopefully it doesn't fling off right away as well.
All right, you ready for a nice little fat rub?
Oh, ooh.
That was not
Instead of a suspension clank.
Expecting a rub.
That wasn't a rub, that might have been a ball joint.
Well, we got the belt back on. Time for a car car review. We stopped in this town on the way to the review. It has a bunch of these old abandoned buildings, and Hunter is taking pictures of the Volvo for S3 magazine. Stop! Stop! Holy! Stop! Stop! Oh my God! That is terrifying. As I was saying, if you guys want to see the Volvo in a magazine, I'll have a link in the description. You guys can get a 2-year subscription plus a shirt for 20 bucks. It's a ridiculous deal, so you should definitely check it out. So we got to David's, started the car, and I realized the crank pulley looked a little weird. That's because there's no crank bolt. The crank bolt fell out. So, yeah, we gotta fix that.
Dude, you're getting too lucky with discovering
Honestly,
things right
I know, right? It's Matteo, it's Matteo.
now.
Yeah, I don't have a crank bolt. It fell out. Well, the review went awesome.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it did.
Yep.
Say yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's spat flames on camera, which is awesome.
A few times.
Really?
Like a good amount of times.
This thing just does everything. It does everything.
Yeah.
And it's awesome.
It's such a
Does
good
it all.
Well, ladies and gents, we have
Gents
yet
and ladies, we have yet
again.
Yet again. Well, ladies and gents, yet again, it is time to open the brews.
Anyway, we have returned to Hunter's casa.
You were called prodigy level smart by David Patterson himself.
Yeah, David was really awesome. He really liked the Volvo, which was so cool. You guys need to check out his channel for the video on that. I didn't really film any of it. By the way, guys, that's another end for another video. Tomorrow we're heading down to Florida to hang out with maybe Adam, maybe Taylor, maybe Cletus. Who knows? See you guys then. You can watch it right now if you head over there to Patreon. Peace out.